Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create a virtual learning schedule in Airtable. This will be your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, we're going to create a new base in Airtable. This will be the foundation for your virtual learning schedule. The reason we do this is because a base acts as a single place to organize all your data, making it easier to manage your learning resources. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. We're going to add a table for each subject or course you're learning. This helps us because it allows for easy organization and tracking of different learning areas. Each table will be a separate subject, and you can add as many as you need. The third step is to add fields in each table for specific study topics, due dates, and progress. This is important because it gives you a clear overview of what you need to study, when it's due, and how much progress you've made. Now, let me explain why this matters. When you have all of your learning tasks and deadlines clearly laid out in one place, it reduces the stress of trying to remember everything and allows you to focus on the actual learning. Next up, we're going to add records to these fields. Each record will represent a specific task or assignment. This helps us because it provides a detailed breakdown of each learning objective. The final step is to use Airtable's calendar view to visualize your schedule. This is a game changer because it lets you see your entire learning schedule at a glance. And there we have it. You've just created your own virtual learning schedule in Airtable. Remember, the key here is to keep everything organized and up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning.